Holy crap, another one? Dude.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lord County, southwestern Harnett County, south central Lee County, northern Hope County, until 4 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Carthage to near Southern Pines to near Aberdeen, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Whispering Pines, Vass, Cameron, and Ashley Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Harnett, Hoke, Lee, and more. Here is a special